In this video, I'm going to show you how to test internet speed on your mobile phone. Sometimes you might be experiencing some glitches with your network and you want to see whether your internet speed is high or low. You can proceed to navigate to your Play Store. Then the search engine, type test internet speed and hit enter. Pick the one with this best match and click it. Proceed to install. Allow it a moment to download and install on your phone. Then proceed to open. You can decide to select the theme that you want, whether dark mode or the light mode. In our case, we want to maintain the light mode, so you can proceed to next, then next again. So you'll be prompted whether you want to allow 𝗕tože Pro to make and manage your phone calls. In our case, no, we just want to check our internet speed. And then we'll also be prompted whether we want to allow 𝗕tože Pro to access this device location. Then yes, we can only allow it only whilst using the app. Then after that, we should proceed to allow, then grant permission. After that, just continue to click on keep while in use access. Then you should proceed to click on test, then proceed to next, then continue to allow. Then wait a moment for this to process your internet speed. We are provided with the various breakdown, so you can also retest it as many times as you want. Then you have the result again. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye bye.